Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Agus Bayudi. I'm from English Literature Department. I want to explain about descriptive text. Descriptive text is type of text in English that uses to write descriptive narrative to make it more alive. It in this narrative, the writer can be describe something for place, the object, to the feeling as clearly as possible. There's only one goal, namely the able readers to enter into the article in the descriptive text. That word are chosen usually use detailed adjective. For example, if you want to describe taste of food, the word delicious or delicious are not enough. You need to mention starting from the taste, shape, even composition. Descriptive text is composition. Descriptive text structure has two parts. The first part is definition, identification, and the second part is description. Identification contains the topic of what object will be discussed, while the description contains describe of the object recording the detail of object such as a physical state of the object, the origin, and the other unique fact. Descriptive text have characteristic and characteristic. And the first, social function or the purpose of text. The function of descriptive writing is to be introduction and object to readers in a detailed way. This object can be people, place, or other things. The second, the generic structure. In writing descriptive text, there is generic structure that you need to pay attention among other side. First, identification. To describe an object, writing you need to enter the identification. The first paragraph, the M as introduction, the object from the readers being before being described future and independent description. In this part must be written each paragraph clearly. You can enter adjective, characteristic, fact, and fact. Even the equality of the object is needed. The third, language feature in the text. In writing descriptive text in English, there are there's special feature that you can remember. Among others, using the present tense, state verb. In descriptive narrative, this word use the articative verb to describe a state. For example, think, believe, have, belong, love, hate, and the others. In other words, the various adjective or adjective to describe something. You have to use a variety of adjective. Try to not repeat same adjective so they are not redundant. You can use thesaurus. Look up the word question to avoid word. Use the verb in descriptive text. Adverb are also a part of sentence or paragraph. For example, loudly, fiercely, carelessly, fast, and other words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.